playing Minecraft. Today, maybe my brother's gonna join, I don't know. So let's play. So is my iron done cooking yet? Yeah, off camera, I got lots of iron last time. Oh, I didn't do this world yet. I didn't make a video of this world. Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't make a video of this world yet. But I love this world. It's so fun, and I made a house. See? It's made of jungle wood. This is where my nether portal is gonna be, or like a portal or something, and I'm gonna make another bridge that leads you somewhere else. Don't know where. I'm gonna make bridges so no one falls from this. Maybe I am. I don't know. There's Ballista. There's green. There's red. And that's blue. And where is Sophia? There you are. That's Sophia. There's this little bird. He likes to hang out with the cats. Sophia. And I don't name the cats yet. There's 3 cats. Oh, the little one turned big. Oh, we're gonna have to get another one. Oh, my brother has a fish butt. No. Oh, he's here. Saf, can you give me the fish? So I can make another baby? I don't know what he said. Can you give me the fish? I need the fish. I need the fish. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Who wants it? Feed. And feed. Stand. Stand. They made a baby! So cute! They made another orange baby. Where did my favorite cat is not the orange. My favorite one is the gray one. There you are. This is my favorite one. She looks so cute. Blue has to stand up. Ballista. Saf, can you stand up, Ballista? Saf, stand up, Ballista. Can you stand up, Ballista? Stand up, Ballista, please. And that's all I want you to do. Ow! That hurt. You meanie. I don't have a rabbit. I'm gonna lead him right now. Come over here. Yeah, there you are. And you can stay over here. Hello, kitty. This is my favorite one, so she's gonna stay in my room. So I got makeup. I don't have a crafting table. Oh, you wanna sit over here? Okay. You can sit right over here. She likes to sit on beds. What are you doing? I think it's time to eat. Okay, I got more iron. 62, that's good. I don't want to make armor right now. Maybe I'll just make a chest plate right for now. Like this. 54, that's still good. I'll just make a chest plate for now. For now, just a chest plate. I don't need that much protection anyways. Because I don't really go mining anywhere. And, yeah. I don't want to put anything in my chest. Just things that I would need to make the house. But these, I need to make crafting tables when I go mining or something. And I need to get the baby here. Because I like the baby better than these big ones. Okay, come over here. You gonna sit on the bed too? You gonna sit? Sit. Unleash. And you. No. Sit. Good boy. Good girl. Which one's gonna be a boy? That one's gonna be a girl. And that one's a girl. I want both of them to be a girl. Maybe that one's a boy. That's the boy. Over there. The orange one. The orange one. Uh-oh. Raining. Oh, gosh. But it's only raining in the stairs anyways. It's not coming to the house. Oh, he left the game. It's okay. And these are my... This is my bird and this is my bird. And the other one's downstairs. He's just chilling. And the cat are chilling. Come on. Let's go, Sophia. Let's go up there. Because that's your home. Down here is not your home. Okay, you gotta sit now. These three are my birds. Two of them are same, but I call one Sophia and one Red. These two are my cats. The other two are Safs. My brother's Safs. These two are my cats because they're sitting on the bed. All my stuff are up here. So his bird has to move to get out. Ah! Okay, yeah, this bird has to do too. Yeah, can you move, Brady? Can you move? Whoa! Is it sitting? Oh, wait, that's good, I guess. This should be guys sitting. I gotta get this bird now. Where is it? Where are the birds? Yes, the birds are staying up here. I'm just gonna... Which bird did I kill? I killed Blue! No! I killed Blue! Oh no, I killed Blue. Why are they sitting over here? So guys, I'm gonna end the video. Bye guys!